Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be blowing up this watermelon with just rubber bands. I have two guests with me today. The first one, my cousin Hunter. You remember him from the other video. And the other guest, he's running a bit late, but first I'll just show you what type of rubber bands I have here. He made it! Alright. Here we have my cousin Chase. Okay, so today I already started putting some rubber bands on just to start it, because it's not as long, because to seed this watermelon. But I have a bunch of rubber bands. They're all different sizes. I have two more of these. I'll probably time lapse just putting this on. I don't know if it's gonna crack or not. Explode. Comment down below what you think. So yeah. We got a nice system going. Our watermelon's a little small. Every time we try to put some on, they fall right off the bottom. Still got a lot of watermelons to go, rubber bands to go. Well, we got a couple on there. It's probably been 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It's been a half hour. So I'll check in with you in a couple of minutes.
So it looks like there's a considerate amount of rubber bands on there.
Yeah.
How many would you say?
I'd say 1 million.
Oh, definitely.
We got about 5 more million on the way.
God, this watermelon doesn't stay.
I say after this we make a different video with these rubber bands.
Alright, so we're making progress slowly. This is taking forever. We still have so many rubber bands. How many would you say we have on there?
Probably 100.
I say 2 million.
Yeah.
So I'll probably go back time lapse and then I'll update you guys then. Alright, we put a few more rubber bands on here. It's getting pretty close. We've got a lot on here. We're pretty sure it's about to blow. Oh my god! Woohoo! Alright, the reason why we didn't wait forever for the rubber bands to just break it, because we already used probably a couple hundred. It takes forever just to put one on. They kept falling off the bottom every time we'd put new ones on. It was fun just destroying it. Sorry, it's raining here. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. It's probably a shorter video. I haven't been uploading recently. I've been really busy. Football starts 2 weeks, so stop. Jake, break my. What happened?
His hands caught in it and I just went.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Windows tinted. I drop my piggies when I'm in it, cause it feels amazing. The irony knees, I stop eating bacon. Don't get it twisted, nigga, I'm still hungry. Oh, he's lonely. All my friends talk about they hoes and tenderonis and all I can show them is a couple calls.